welcome back. Okay, so this video is all about rolling. So we are going to start off on our backs with our legs extended and our arms extended above our heads. We're going to take our right arm and we're going to palms down, thumbs leading. I'm going to reach down, make as big of an arc as you can, lift up your head, gaze follow hands, and I'm going to pull across my body until my upper body goes with it. Get that full weight shift, let the legs follow, and come back down. To repeat that, we're going to go thumbs up, palms facing the ceiling, gaze again, follows the hand as much as possible, and we fall back. Doing it on the other side, bringing our hands down, bringing it across. Now, if I go too high here before majority of my upper body weight has had a chance to really come over and tip over the top, then it's going to be a lot harder. So you really want to reach down, and I'm going to keep my hands at the diagonal. Head's going to go with it as much as possible. Legs are relaxed until everything falls. My arm comes there. Again, thumb up, trying to get my palm up to that ceiling. Head follows that hand as much as possible. Now, most often you're going to want to try to push out of those legs first and get to here, but we really want to have that body move because of those arms. And what this is actually doing is getting a really great stretch through our sides, through a lot of the muscles that intersect and cross over this joint. But we're also getting a really great pectoral stretch here. So really try to get that arm first. In addition, we're working that spine. So if you push out of those legs first, then we're going to take all that tension out of the spine, out of that midsection, and definitely off of this area. And if we sit in our computers, this is really tight. So this is going to be a really great thing to really focus on, not letting those legs do the work of the upper body here. So I'm going to really look and then roll. Okay, so now we're going to do our legs. So again, laying on our backs, we're going to bring our leg up. Now, if having a straight leg is a little bit too much right now, go ahead and bend that leg. Now, the goal is that we want to really try to get that full extension in that knee, but that's okay. Start where you're at. Now I'm going to pull it across my body. Now I'm going to try to think about getting the sole of my foot down and as much as my knee down. So I'm internally rotating that leg, which is going to pull my hip with me until I find the ground, and then I'm going to push down and just let my arms drag across. Same thing. Now I'm going to go in the opposite direction. I'm going to lift that leg up. I'm going to bring it across my body, find the ground, and then I'm going to extend and let my upper body go. Doing it on the other side, lift, bring it over, push, and roll. Lifting up, bringing it across as much as possible, and roll. Now you can do this in multiple repetitions. You can spend a little bit more time on the legs. You can spend a little bit more time on the upper body. The key with all of this is that you're taking the time to learn it. So it's not really about get to 20, but find a way for you to do it in your body, really thinking about some of those key elements and really be in the process of learning. And that's going to be really important for helping your body open up. This is going to be really helpful as we start to progress on top of these movements. So take some time this week and go through this. I hope it goes really well for you. and we'll see you in the next video.